Welcome to Maths, Lesson 52, Problems. It is Lucy's birthday. Her mum makes 160 sandwiches. She has made 4 for each person. How many people are at the party? How do you think you're going to work that out? You have 160 sandwiches, and there are 4 for each person. That means divide 160 by 4. That will then tell you how many people are at the party. (160) divided by 4 is 40. There are 40 people at Lucy's birthday party. Ali gets the bus to school every day. It is 6 miles to school. How many miles does he travel each week? How many days a week do you go to school? Most people go to school 5 days a week. Ali gets the bus to school every day. That's 5 days a week. It is 6 miles to school. How many miles does he travel each week? You need to remember that Ali goes to school in the morning. That's 6 miles. But he also needs to come home in the afternoon. That's another 6 miles. So every day Ali travels 12 miles. 12 miles times 5 days that's 60 miles a week. It costs £3.20 to feed each horse per week and £1.10 to feed each chicken per week. There are 5 horses and 20 chickens. How much does it cost each week to feed them all? Five horses at £3.20 each. That's 5 times £3.20. £20 chickens at £1.10 each. That's £1.10 times 20. When you have worked out how much it costs to feed 5 horses and how much it costs to feed 20 chickens, you then need to add up both those amounts together. So altogether in a week it costs £38. Now stop the video and go to test 52A. Don't forget to come back to me when you have completed it. Daisy uses 75 grams of flour, 40 grams of sugar and 53 grams of butter to make cookies. She divides the mixture equally between 8 cookies. What is the weight of mixture for each cookie? First, let's add up how much the whole mixture weighs. That's 75 grams, add 40 grams, add 53 grams. That's the amount that the whole mixture weighs. Now Daisy divides the mixture equally between 8 cookies. So you need to divide that amount by 8. So the weight of mixture for each cookie is 21 grams. James goes to school 39 weeks in a year. He is at school for 6 hours a day, Monday to Friday. How many hours a year is James at school? James is at school for 6 hours a day. Let's find out how many hours he's at school in a week. If he is at school for 6 hours a day, 5 days a week, we will say 6 hours multiplied by 5 days. That's 30 hours a week. If James is at school for 30 hours a week and he's at school for 39 weeks in a year, then we need to multiply 39 by 30. That will tell us how many hours a year James is at school. £1,170. Edward buys a shirt for £36 and a jumper for £42. There is a 10% sale. How much does he pay in total? First, let's add up the original cost. The shirt was £36 and the jumper was £42. That's £78. A 10% sale. That means he gets 10% off. What is 10% of £78? £10 of £78 is £7.80. £7.80, is that the amount he pays? No, £7.80 is the amount that the cost was reduced by. So the original price was £78. Edward gets £7.80 off that price. That means £78 take away £7.80. So Edward pays £70.20. Remember, problems sometimes have more than one step to get you to the answer. When you have done your calculations, always check back to what the question has actually asked you. You are ready to take your maths test. Go to Maths, Test 52. Good luck!